just bring your leg away from you. Oh. You want a little space, but not as big as if you're going to make a snow angel. So bring your leg a little bit closer towards another, but with a space. Here again, like I was mentioning, you want your chin closer to your chest here, so you don't have your head all tilted like that. And next thing I do, I always do a little check to make sure I'm comfortable and get everything all set. I lower my shoulders. I just bring my hands a little bit away and exhaling that. You want to adjust your shirt. After a while, those little things don't bother you as much, but make yourself comfy. And we're not going to be there very long, but this is something you can make as long as you need. So don't feel guilty if you don't like it and you want to skip it, that is okay. If you're in the yoga just for the exercise, that's cool too. You're getting something out of it. We all getting whatever we want out of this, how much we want, how deep we want to get. I don't get that deep in it. There's a lot of yoga philosophy that I don't observe, but I pick what's nourished me, so I want you to pick what nourishes you. So you're relaxed here, and we're going to stop moving and relax everything. Your hands open, maybe towards the sky or the ceiling. Maybe you want to close a little bit today. So maybe you want your hands down. Wherever it's comfortable. And just breathe here without thinking about inhale and exhale. Just breathe naturally and bring your attention to your breath, just observing it as if you would observe somebody else. No judgment, just observing. Now bring your attention to your feet and your hands. Feel them getting just a little bit heavier on their own. You can ask yourself how they feel, good or bad or whatever, but do not pass a judgment, no judgment. But overall, your hands, your feet are relaxed. We're just gonna forget about our hands and our feet and move our attention to our legs and our arms. I think I have a little doggy near me. It's all good, and I can hear Yogito meowing too from the other floor. But no, don't more than that. Just pay attention to sounds around you. How your arms and legs feel. And just relax. You can do your whole body like that. Little bits, toes by toes, if you wish. Now again, bring your attention to your breath without changing it and without judging it. See where it travels in you when you're inhaling. How it travels and how it moves you. Now start moving your head side to side and just wiggling your toes and feet, and take your time, and if you need more time than me, and that is good. Now maybe bringing your knees to your chest if it feels good. If your eyes are still closed, you can like start peeking a little bit. And peeking is fine through the entire meditation and the entire Shavasana. You don't have to close your eyes all the way. Now let's turn to our right side if it's comfy and if your body allows. And just stay there for a couple breaths. The reason for that is if you just sit up too quick, you're gonna feel dizzy there. And if it does happen, just come back down, that's all. Now press with your hand and come and sit with me. Any kind of seat that's comfortable for you. And slowly open your eyes. And this completes our nice sequence for getting started. And I hope you enjoyed this video. Together we can take a deep breath up. Maybe put our hands together, exhaling our shoulders first as we bring our hands towards our heart. And if you wish, together we say Namaste.